Oh, and for part two, remember what MTA says? Hate has no place on our railroad. And we talked about, this is part two from the previous video. And I talked about college. And then next thing when she got home, when we both got home actually, she was like, oh my god, I forgot that he assaulted me. And remember what I said in the previous video. We know that this isn't my house. But yeah. When I have my own residence after college, I know who to explain this to. And I'll say, don't call the police on me. I know it was my fault, but I regretted that. And I knew that was wrong.